How to make a Twitter thread. Before I tell you how to make a Twitter thread, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This video will teach you how to make a Twitter thread in 4 easy steps. Step 1. Write a tweet. Step 2. Once the 250 word limit finishes, click the plus sign in blue on the bottom right corner. Step 3. To continue on with writing your thread, keep clicking the plus sign in blue. Step 4. Once you are done with the thread, click Tweet All on the top right. Your Twitter thread is published to be read by the public around the world. This is an example of a Twitter thread. In case you want to add more tweets with the thread, click on Add another tweet. I hope this video is helpful to you.